So now we have the opposite side of the coin. We have 7 to the x equals 28, and our unknown is stuck up in that exponent. So we need to switch to the log form. Anytime your unknown is stuck in the exponent, we're going to switch to a log form. And we still need to keep track of where the base goes, where the exponent goes, and where whatever it's supposed to equal goes. And that's going to look like this. I'm going to write down, of course, the word log. I'm going to do that in blue. Log. This is the base, so that's the base of my log. The exponent goes over here, and then whatever it's supposed to equal goes over here. And we get a new equation with the unknown being like out of the exponent. It's in a place where I can solve it. In fact, there's nothing else even happening to this x. So really all that's left for me to do is figure out what log base 7 of 28 is. Now, here's again, this is like a brand new skill for you guys. It's a calculator skill. And there's a formula that we learned, and that formula was log base A of B equals whatever the log of B is divided by whatever the log of A is. So if you have a TI-84 plus, you're going to type in there log 28, close the parentheses, divided by log of 7. Now, I don't have the TI-84 emulator on this computer, so I can't show that to you, but we did that extensively in the test and in homework previously. If you don't know how to work this, please, email me, ask me, let me know. But I'm going to do log 28 divided by log of 7, and when I do that, I did it on my phone earlier, which is actually really hard to do on an iPhone correctly. I got log of 28 divided by log of 7, and I'm going to round to 3 decimal places, 1.712. That's my final answer. X is approximately 1.712. Now, I don't love that answer. I find it very, like it doesn't fill me with confidence because I don't really know what the heck just happened. So if I want to check my work so I can feel good about what I'm doing, I'm going to take this answer and plug it back in. So I might take 7 to the 1.712 power, and I would hope to get an answer that is very, very close to 28. So there's kind of 2 things happening here. The first is that you guys recognize your unknown is in the exponent, so you had to switch to log form. And this is the correct log form. And what's been consistent throughout is that this is the base, that's the exponent. That's the base, that's the exponent. Put the base there, the exponent there. Whatever it's supposed to equal goes there. Now, the second part that's kind of new is figuring out what the heck this is supposed to equal. And that's this formula. And I taught you that before we left. But, I don't know. It's a weird thing. It's not intuitive at all. So you just got to trust that I'm telling you the truth, which I am, and then use it. So, good luck, you guys.